National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for far east central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeast Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Little Rock and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Sugar Grove around 7:35 p.m., Elburn around 7:50 p.m., St. Charles around 8:05 p.m. Other locations affected: Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.